Una good day, my people. Now this matter, now we carry concern. We can't chook mouth put so concerning two of our African brothers for Italy when they fight for streets. Una not say they beat nose, I go they cry. Waiting happen to one, happen to all. According to the video, which una also go still watch, they talk say this other guy when he say wear blue, say na Nigeria, but not make sure the other boy country where he for come. So they say the other boy when he they beat, so say that one thief in phone. No understand, so now the matter, so now it cause the problem. So say that other boy thief in phone. So now me I won't come talk say why you can't be say we African people for Europe, for America, that is Africans in diaspora, why we not come be say we not gonna get love, we not gonna get love between ourselves. You understand? We not get sympathy between ourselves. How manage when it come be say we go see our own person something, we not go feed keep am for her or even give am to her, and still we go see the get mind to collect wetin not come be our own, whether na our country or whether na from other country. So the matter I just get as it be. We know say the boy when he be say they beat and so he dey fight, the boy not dey right. But now wetin happen be say the boy say the other one collect him phone. And where if for come dey wrong be say he not supposed to come dey beat am like this. As he know say na he collect his phone, he supposed to call police. Police go come handle the case, because if he come dey beat am now, him himself na he go see enter problem. So we need to think of the repercussions, the consequences of things when we dey do before we go do am. Because for Europe, nobody get the power, nobody get the right to lay hands on any other person first. If you first raise your hand say beat another person, no matter what in the case be, now you go lose that case. So now you go lose. And so the best thing is for you to involve the police. And the particular boy now when they beat, now they let people they know say maybe he thief the phone. So you can imagine a phone when he be said they don't even see for his hands, or they not say na he thief, or maybe the boy don't even sell the phone. They see where the seller, they go collect the phone, he show them say na this is your thief. Nothing like that first of all. But now problem don't even come start now, whereby now then now come they beat the boy, say he take the phone. Now police supposed to solve this case first of all, because police know everybody, whether na garden you they stay, now any place where you they stay, when you be say you for the meet your friends, when you for the relax, police people they know everybody for that area. They think go find out, they go check this boy criminal record to know whether na person when they thief before, to really know whether na him thief. Even camera self, they feel help yourself to check the camera when they that place to fight the case very well. But maybe for us to take the law into our hands. You understand? Because some of our people, they're very, very wicked. Now, so some too, they go see collect business, or they go borrow money for one of their person hand, one of their brother hand, or their sister hand. They not go see like to go give the person a thing back. They go like make the thing cause problem. And whereby you now don't know the country when you be saying you know day. You know say this kind of country so their law they different, their law, everybody not the same. Anybody when you be saying na fuck up, na they bear. So we are supposed to be respect that law, they think, because this here may be Africa when it be say everybody they take law into his hand, nobody go talk. Even though say now you even they wrong, say if you go police station, you give lawyer money or you give police money, they go free you. But here in Europe or America, maybe the same thing. You understand? So nobody get the right to they take the law into their hands. And this thing be say our people they too they fight for streets. I beg, no matter what the problem be, try to reason with your brother together. Try to reason with your person. I've been at the same language when we not come to speak. Now it can be the problem when we not come to see ourselves, say we be brothers. No matter what, may we still remember Black Lives Matter. So now all of us with that Black Lives. So if you come to maltreat our own person now like this, waiting other people go do us. No understand? Because this thing I don't happen even for my president. So whereby you can be say almost 3 men say they won't fight one person, kill him for nothing sake. And the person when they won't fight, so now they hold that one money. That one say they hold on 2,000 euro. If they draw in money, they follow them. They say they don't get money to give her. Before you know, now all of the Russian, the 3 people they Russian for my president. And our own African people to when sit there around. Nobody talk, all of them just stand, they look at. So that they look at what if to say as the Russian now use the head take him, because now so he carry the boy use and take knock ground. What if to say now his call now he go knock rota like that, the boy just die. Now some person go just die for our president. It no good. If now see this kind of matter where be say 2 people they fight for no reason. men are trying to dey know wetin happen. The men are trying to separate them. All now go call police to come so that the issue go stop without anybody being in danger, without they no wound anybody. So make una no dey use bad mind say they follow una people again. E no go pay us anywhere, because all of us na the same people. We need to dey defend ourselves. No matter any Africa, in any country where you come from Africa, no matter any state, any city, no matter the language when they speak or the religion where they follow, we all are still one. If we meet ourselves for Europe like this, or for America, or outside our country, may we dey try to dey reason together, because now we go physically fight together. If all those people and other people they fight us, now all of us go physically gather hands together to fight for our own freedom. So I beg, now beg that they use beg till they beg una. Make una know they cause problem again. Not they take wetin no come be una own. Make una know they take wetin no be una own. And if una dey collect something from una brother, make una no use jealousy, enviness, greediness take block am. Because we know how everything be for here. Everybody come hustle, everybody come find money. You understand? Nobody when it be say easy for. If it's easy for you, you know you're supposed not to dey for the street. You understand? It's not easy for anybody. Everybody try to survive. So may we use that good mind till they follow ourselves. Because we see these two people now where they come they fight now. They will come to say, these people they too they fight, see as they be, also fight now that they fight for street, but they not go try to reason the thing when it this one I cause that fight. So that is the problem when it come be say we not supposed to they fight, because if people see this kind of thing, they know the reason what thing cause the problem. Now the physical thing when they see now they go judge. No matter what thing cause the problem, now all we supposed to still sit down together, discuss and together. As not seen as Oyibo people come, the police people come, they don't even mind them. They stand, they look, they say if you want kill her, make it kill her. Because my brother, imagine when you they do this kind of thing to your own fellow brother, waiting another people go do you. So the matter I get as it be a beg. Make we they use one mind till they live together. Make we know they collect waiting not be our own. If we collect anything from our brothers, make they try to return and back with good mind, so that God will still bless our own way. You understand? Because if you they envy another person, God, you know, God no go bless you. Your own no go better. If you know they pray for your the goodness or the betterness for your brother, you yourself you no go feel survive am. No understand? Because if it good for one, it go good for all. Even though say we not be the same country, but we the same Africa. If one person survive and now say one person they in good position, he go employ the rest people. He go still touch our hands. So maybe they try to reason all that way. I beg, man, I know they collect waiting not be our own again. When we try to they use love, they treat each other, one another, so that everything go good for all of us. I beg. Whoever when he know say in they do something when he be say he not too good, at least make una the reason now. Make una the reason and say that way you not ban. So make una they try to change that way. I beg. Make una know the thief. Now go thief now for Igbo. Okay, what if there's a white person now, nine the thief from now? If the person get pistol now, so they will just carry gun, they just shoot and quit. Don't die be that because you go collect waiting not be your own. We they see how robbers say they die for street, how they kill them for where they for catch them where they go thief. So when you will collect something when not come be your own, and when you go hold somebody like you, when you know say instead still get your own problems, still get your own scores to settle, when you come be say you no go give her money back, it get as it be a beg. And if we Africans, if we see this kind of thing, we will not just they stand they look. We will not just they stand they look or just they video them. We need to chook our mouth put. We need to separate them. We need to hold the boy when he be saying now they fight so that he no go they beat the other one again, make it not go injure and go wound them. You understand? Those two people, so when it be said they come they fight, so when they tell you say 3 people come rush one person. Now my presence that one happen. They not even send me. And from where the thing they happen, so other people just they look say you not consign them. But it concern me because now woman be life be that one so. If that person died for my presence, you no go ever forgive me. Because I did that, they let that kind of bad thing they happen. I shout, come out. I shout for them. Yes, if they don't stop, police go come. They need to stop that kind of thing. And I preach to them, say, we all are the same. We all are the same. Why we go to do this to ourselves? Why? We go they cry, say other people they maltreat us, they resist us, they discriminate us, many things. When it be say they used to punish us because of our color. So if we the reason that one, no matter what one of our brothers do, Make we try to dey talk am out with that person. You go sit down with and you go ask am, bros, now you take my phone, this, that. If he say no be him, then all make it follow you find am. Then him too go still talk where him eye reach for where the phone dey. Now understand, maybe to come dey fight now when it be say we go still put our own life for problem again, join the one wey we done already dey. Now no say phone dey important for person well, maybe family numbers, all the things dey inside, but you go come see am be your own brother, your own fellow African person, but you no go give am because of why? Because of say maybe you dey jealous, you dey envy in life, or you be bad person, you be wicked person. E no good. If you see that kind of thing, you will carry and give am. You know say dey important for your brother. Wetin you go gain if you collect wetin dey important for another person? You think say your own important thing go come meet you? E no go fit come meet you. I tell you, because if you collect wetin be another person own, na so God go still collect the joy when you suppose get. As you dey make other person dey feel pain, na so you too go still dey feel your own pain. So my people, na so the matter be. I tell God take beg una say make we dey reason the matter, make we dey settle our case between ourselves. Make we no go dey fight or dey kill each other. When it comes to say maybe police or all this kind of thing that will consider involved. No understand? You will sit down together, you will talk and out with that person. If the person still insists, if you see say the person they prove stubborn, say still insist, then you call police. If you won't call police, make police cook mass settle for you. Not be for us to come they insult each other, for us to come they fight each other. You know mean, you know what I'm at all. It doesn't mean to be like that. Now understand? You know what I'm for our life. And secondly, what I want to talk now. For social media, when it come be say one person go see say one person curse am, he go still come and go they curse that person. No, make I give una the brain. The thing be say for Europe law, if you see your picture or your video for social media, when it come be say maybe you post am, try to know the first person when post that your picture or that your video. Try to know the first person. That first person, so you need to take that person go court, because now that person might violate your privacy. So. Now that person now enter inside your privacy where you're not supposed to enter, because maybe every matter person supposed to carry comment. Everybody get your own difficulties, your own front and back, your own bad guys, your own good and bad. Everybody know the way when they say they live. You know if you just come carry person matter when it come be say nobody send you. You will just carry and come out for social media. Can't just take kill that person career. You understand? Kill that person image from nothing say, because we will they look today, we don't know tomorrow what thing we go become tomorrow. So all those things if it affect us tomorrow. So that is why we don't need to consider sit down like illiterate, like those people when we say madam post the thing, or maybe they hear the thing from another mouth, or they see the video from another place, will come they cause them. No, we not get the right to come they cause them. Now the person, the first person when be now he post that our picture or that our video, now we need to go report. If you report that person, they go block that person account, and still they will carry that person go court. Any amount when government say make that person pay you, now he go pay you, because now you carry your family life come out for outside. But if now you yourself, now you first post the video, now you post them, people see and they carry and they use and they do a video, or they use and they do YouTube or Facebook, or they use and they do anything. That one is you're on your own, because now you first post them to the world. But if not be you know, you can send anybody message, which means they thief your video, or maybe the video you secretly. You need to voice out. You don't need to come there, because no, even if you cause 100 people for Facebook, you not go change anything, or for you to not go change anything. That your picture, that your video. So if they don't carry and go, they don't carry and go. Many people go they watch you. So which means they don't they destroy your image and your career be that one. So I advise you, instead when I go they call the cause no ourselves, they insult each other back. I beg. If you see what the person do, you say you not like and you not send that person, you need to report to the nearest authority. Now then go feel help you. Now then go feel help you bring that thing down, bring that video down, or bring that Facebook down. You understand? So now so it they work. May we not they take laws into our hands. Say may we go fight our mates, or may we go kill our mates, so because they do this, they do that. No, if you get as the matter be, say two of them not feel solve by ourselves. Make una involve the authority, involve the police. They go give una lawyer and I will settle her for them. And so the matter be. I beg my people, man, not to take too much of our time. So the video now I want to make una watch am, so that una go hear from the background, so una go hear wetin the author dey talk, so wetin be say na it can cause the problem. Who still get message when he wants to send? Abeg, men are not fair to leave the message for the message box, so make una leave message, still give people advice, so that at least they go still listen small, they go still know wetin dey go on, because all these kind things, so one person fit just lose in life one day because of all these things. I rest my case, my people. Now to try, Thank you all.
Yeah. Stop. This just record your life now. Africans happy themselves in Europe. It's sad. Look at police. Police will come. No, police are coming. Police. Africa. Police is watching. Oh, this is not good. The thing is that the guy with the black shirt thief phone, thief the Nigerian guy phone, which the Nigerian guy is the one on green. Oh, I'm sorry, on the blue cloth, blue. Sorry. Lot of police. Why? Oh. Why? Why? Look at the military, everything, just because of phone. Live on direct and record right now. I'm coming back from show when this is happening. This is very wrong. You call police, don't take like your hand. They will also arrest you because you take like your hand. And the guy said that he's not the one that took the phone. They will arrest him. Which will be that? They don't feel the guy now. Una will go prison. Okay, yeah, come. We are waiting for you.